Hello, my name is Juan Sebastián Quintero. I am from Villavicencio and I'm from the System Engineer programs. I am 20 years. Um, let's be it. And questions. What were you doing last Christmas? And fire and home. Enjoy Christmas with my family and friends. Where the Christmas dinners and the week shared together, dancing and jokes. And today at Online Chef, I'm glad to talk about one of the recipes from the regions, what the junior meat preparations. All junior meat with typical flavor on Orinoquia and now difficult this to make. The French and the French dig we wet knee will be the following ingredients for its preparations: beef, lager bears, or onion, branch, garlic, scallions, salt, potatoes, yogurt, tomatoes, reseed avocado, one villal leaf, add stew, rod or pot, a firewood. First you take ingredients, choose as you tomato, garlic, beer and salt and blend them. Add a liquid fish as appears to the meat and place it place on the stick to come and wait to what fire. Second, boil the potatoes with the yogurt and water and little solder water left and for approximate and 20 minutes and 10 that and all on plate. Mm, then the meat in left to her for 1 to 3 hours and the cut out place on plate. Finally, the meat and plates in the videos left hot, accompanied by potatoes, yogurt, and piece, piece of avocado. I am inviting you to come and get to know my regions on enjoys this and many more dishes from an Earth's planet and will be waiting for you. Say thank you very much and finish. Hi, bye bye.